Hi everyone, welcome back sa aking channel na GTR Math Tutorial. For today's video, we will solve another logic problem. So number 2, so tomorrow is not Wednesday or Thursday. Yesterday was not Friday or Saturday. Today is not Sunday or Monday or Thursday. What day is it today? So choices: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. So tanda ko nung last na civil service exam ay may lumabas na ganitong mga problem, yung mga nagtatanong na what day is today. So parang ilang sunod na merong ganitong mga type ng logic na question. Okay, so ang question na ito ay galing nga pala sa Civil Service Exam 2023 Community na FB group. So pinadala ni Dane Lee. Okay, so sagutan na natin. So ayan, so naglagay na agad ako ng table dito. Pag nagsosolve kasi ng ganitong type ng problem, so tinatanong what day is it today, tapos may mga given tayo tomorrow, yesterday, and today. So nagawa na ako ng table. So Monday to Sunday, so tapos yesterday, today, and Sunday. Okay, so nakalagay dito, so isa-isahin natin yung bawat yan statement, tapos i-cross out na natin yung mga nakalagay na not. So sabi, tomorrow is not Wednesday or Thursday. So sabi, tomorrow is not Wednesday. So ayan, not Wednesday or Thursday. So cross out na natin si Wednesday and Thursday para sa but Sunday yung nailagay ko dito. So nagka-typo tayo dito. Yesterday, today, dapat ito ay tomorrow. Okay, so gagawin natin. Tomorrow dapat ito. So mali pala ako ng pag-type. So ayan. So ito ay tomorrow. So yesterday, ayan, sa today and then tomorrow, kulang pa ng isang R. So ang sabi, tomorrow is not Wednesday or Thursday. So not Wednesday and Thursday. So lagyan na natin ito ng X. Okay? So next, yesterday. So yesterday was not Friday or Saturday. So yesterday was not Friday or Saturday. So i-X na natin ito. And then sabi, today is not Sunday, Monday, or Thursday. So i-cross out na natin sa today si Sunday, we have Monday, and then we have Thursday. So ang question, what day is today? So gamit yung mga info natin, meron pang apat na pwede. So pwede pang maging today si Tuesday, si Wednesday, si Friday at si Saturday. So ngayon balikan natin yung dito sa tomorrow tsaka si yesterday. So balikan natin 'yan. So sa choices nga pala, tanggalin na natin yung wala dito sa apat. Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday. So tanggal na sa pagpipilian natin si Thursday kasi may cross out na dito sa Thursday. Yan. So apat pa yung nasa choices natin. So balikan natin itong unang statement. Sabi, tomorrow is not Wednesday or Thursday. So dito muna tayo kay Wednesday. Kung tomorrow is not Wednesday, so ito yung tomorrow. Tomorrow ito, not Wednesday. So kung tomorrow is not Wednesday, balik tayo ng isa para maging today. So kung tomorrow is not Wednesday, ibig sabihin yung today ay magiging Tuesday. So ibig sabihin, hindi magiging Tuesday ngayon kasi nga tomorrow is not Wednesday. So tanggal na sa choices ulit si Tuesday. Tanggal na tong A. Okay? And then sabi din, tomorrow is not Thursday. So tomorrow is not Thursday, balik tayo ng isa. If tomorrow is not Thursday, therefore today is not Wednesday. So tanggal na rin sa choices natin si Wednesday, dalawa na lang, Friday na lang at Saturday ang matitira. So ngayon, dito naman tayo sa yesterday. Punta tayo dito sa yesterday. Yesterday was not Friday. So kung yesterday was not Friday, so yesterday was not Friday, so abante naman tayo ng abante tayo ng isa. Yesterday was not Friday. So ibig sabihin, today is not Saturday. So cross out na rin ito. So therefore, ano na lang ang natira? Friday na lang ang matitira. Therefore, the correct answer is Friday. So dito sa Saturday, yesterday is not Saturday, so advance tayo ng isa. So ito ay may cross out na to. So ang natira na lang, Friday na lang yung matitira. The correct answer is Friday. Okay, so ganyan lang kasimple magsagot ng ganitong type ng mga logic problem. So thank you for watching. I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na ito at kita-kita tayo sa mas marami pang mga logic problem tsaka sa mga math problem para sa civil service exam. So good luck sa lahat na nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.